Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing this nice slip by Involand. It's a plus size, sexy, deep V-neck full slip with adjustable spaghetti strap chemise underdress, and it's not super expensive. It's a little sexy. You can wear it. I mean, I used to wear slips under dresses, and I think that people still wear slips under dresses, as well as like bike shorts or Spanx. This is kind of the mid-time between girdles and Spanx was when there were slips. I still enjoy slips. If your dress is a little too see-through, you can also sleep in them. They're nice and sexy as nightgowns as well. Yeah, and they work. They work for that. So this one is made out of 95% polyester and 5% spandex. High quality and beautiful style. This one tends to run small, so they want you to size up, and it's made with cool and comfortable polyester and spandex, adjustable spaghetti straps that can fit you well, and a lace v-neckline and hemline designed to make you look cute and sexy, which is definitely what this achieves. So it's high quality, has superior stitching, perfectly lined hems and fabric that washes well. They pride themselves on making premium quality fashion wear at affordable prices. If for whatever reason you aren't fully satisfied with your purchase, you can exchange it or get a refund. And this is all plus size, so this is for bigger girls, but it's really nicely made. It's good texture, nice and comfortable, something I could see myself wearing for an evening or sleeping in. I think this is a definite must for everybody's wardrobe is a black slip, because you need it. You need it to under your dresses. It's always nice to be a lady and wear a slip. So I highly recommend this slip. This one fits me pretty well. I like the V-neck. I love the lace. I think it's beautiful, and it fits well. It's nice and shiny, and it makes you feel kind of sexy, and it's soft. So I highly recommend this one. I would say I'd give it probably 5 out of 5 for a slip. I used to have to wear slips a lot. I used to have to wear white slips because I went to Catholic school. My mom would always make me wear kind of the ugly ones. I never got to wear really pretty ones. So now I think I'm getting back to that and getting back to wearing pretty slips. This is a really pretty slip, and it's nice, and it feels nice under your dress. And if you want, you can wear a garter belt and have leggings, and this is a nice thing to cover it up with, because then it won't show the garter belt as much. It won't be as obvious. It'll be hidden a little bit more by the slip. So this is something to just add to your evening wear. Everybody needs good underwear, good panties, good bras, some slips, some Spanx, some not boxer shorts, I was gonna say booty shorts, some biker shorts. So yeah, this is definitely one to try out yourself. I highly recommend it and enjoy it. I think you would too. So definitely check this out. Again, it is called the Involand Women's Plus Size Sexy Deep V Neck Lace Full Slip Adjustable Spaghetti Strap Chemise Underdress. So it just, what they mean by full slip is to the knee. So it's barely to the knee. It's actually above the knee. So it's not one that goes to your ankle. So don't think that. But yeah, you don't have to take my word for it on this slip. You can try it yourself and see if you like it. And hopefully you enjoyed watching this video. And thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it.